hate my hair. I hate it. I hate it. I look like Cousin It and I cannot see. Hello. Welcome to my bathroom. If it's a little echoey, I am sorry. This is not my typical content and I am so nervous. I'm shaking. So I am going to cut my own hair. Yeah. I am going to follow a Brad Mondo tutorial. It's going to be the pro hairdresser guide to doing a butterfly cut at home. And you're probably wondering what led me here. And what led me here today. So the last 2 times I went and got my hair cut, and actually most of the times when I get my hair cut professionally done, it does not matter where I go, who I go to, how much I pay or how much I don't pay. It always gets messed up. I always do like a few inches off for length and put long layers in. Last time after I straightened it after getting home, I had shelf layers in the back, and the time before that the bottom did the wave. So I might as well screw this all up on my own for free. So my shirt is quite fitting. So before I do start, Brad Mondo says you need 2 hair ties, which I have, a spray bottle because you have to wet your hair, he says. So if this doesn't work, I'll just hop in the shower and get it wet. He said a comb, he said the ones with larger and smaller is the best. I also have this to help me section it. I even went as far as getting a ruler to make sure I'm taking off an even amount for both ponytails. And Brad Mondo, you'll be proud of me, I even ordered an actual hairdressing kit. I don't know how well it is, no experience here. That comes with hairdresser scissors and shears because I have thick hair, so I'm probably gonna have to do some thinning in sections to make sure it's not blocky. And let me tell you, these make me feel fancy. I have fellow Brad Mondo here on his video, so I can watch this step by step because I am an overthinker and I need instructions. So this isn't freshly washed hair. I'm on day 2 of not washing it because since I do have thick hair, on the day it is freshly washed and the day after it is even thicker. So here's what we have working with. I do have like a wave pattern and it goes to about here. And yeah, should be interesting. It really needs some help. I haven't had it fixed since the last mess up. Also, I know nothing about hair. I don't know how to style it. When I say thick, I mean, we're talking like horse mane, okay? Yeah. It's too hot, it's getting heavy, it needs to go. Okay, I did open the door and I had to move my glasses, so right now you're quite fuzzy. I had to open the door because it was too hot, but we're gonna spray my hair down until it's wet and then we'll go from there. I think that's gonna take too long. I think I have to hop in the shower. We'll be back. Hair is damp, now to brush it out. Well, it's more than damp, it's wet. That's okay. My hair really holds water too, so should be good. Might just need to squeeze the ends out a little bit. That's a little bit too much water. Other side. See, I keep telling myself, do I really want to do this? But I mean, if I just keep saying if other people are going to mess it up for like $50, $60, why not just do it myself, right? Save that money. Plus, I'm pretty much traumatized to go into hairdressers and paying at this point. Get the water out. Okay, hair is brushed. I'm gonna watch a little bit of this Brad Mondo video to check the next step. Okay, aside from being nervous, making me sweaty, it's hot in here. I don't have air conditioning, so, or at least not in here. So he says, from the apex forward, you're gonna brush it forward, and we are gonna find that because I might need my glasses actually. Maybe? No. So he said, place the comb And wherever it's like hitting flat is your apex. So like, I think like right there. So we're gonna take all of this. Ugh. I just brushed this. I hate my hair. I hate it. I hate it. I look like Cousin It and I cannot see. Okay, he said from the apex to behind the ears. So I'm gonna maybe do that off camera then show you. Okay, do I have it? Is it even? I don't know. My face is covered in sweat from my hair covering. This side went way more easier. So I'm gonna finish this one. I'm gonna work on the other one. Yeah. Okay, how's this side? Is that good? I'll have to watch this footage back with my glasses on. I don't know if it's even, but I gotta pull it all forward and brush it out with a fine tooth comb. Oh my gosh, can you tell I'm nervous? It's not perfect over here and I don't know. Let's see if you can fix it. Just a smidgens. I swear this whole sectioning is the hardest part. Okay, so fine tooth comb, I'm gonna comb it all nice and flat, he said. And he made the comb. That one's not sturdy enough. Goodness gracious, why did I choose to do this? Is it flat? And then we're gonna put it in a ponytail. He said like in between our eyebrows. A little lower. Okay. What am I doing? I'm losing my mind. And I'm sweaty. I'm not having fun. Okay, let's fix that. Does it need to go lower? What's up? Okay, the front looks pretty good. He said to put it in the front as smooth as you can. Looking like unicorn. I think I got that covered. So next up he says you're gonna put this back half in the highest of ponytails as you can, closest to the apex. And then yeah, I'm so sorry this video is chaotic because I am a hot mess right now and I'm nervous and there's a lot going on. Okay, let's try to, this is gonna be one heck of a workout. I already suck at high ponies. How am I gonna do this? Let's get this. Ouch. There's too much hair. It needs to go higher. Up. Oh, and it's getting naughty now too. Welcome aboard the struggle train. I'll be back. Oh my god, I'm lightheaded. I end up having to tilt my whole head upside down like this just to get it all up in there. Okay. Now it needs to be smoothed out, brushed out. It's not working. Maybe cutting my hair by myself is more like a two-person job. I call for assistance. Help, help. Okay, I've been at this for like 15 minutes just trying to get this high ponytail. But with the length of my hair, it keeps getting naughty and how much there is. Like, look at this. I have called for assistance just for this step. This isn't as high as it needs to be, but I even asked someone to come help me, and that's as high as I could get. My hair is, it's too much and it's gonna have to work. So yeah, for this step, he said, I did redamp it a little bit, and he said we're gonna pull it like this, not like this, which makes sense. And he said, don't cut off a wee little bit, don't go like honky donkey dory and do whatever. But I am gonna cut off quite a bit. Let's see. Handy dandy ruler. Inches. Right? I don't know, like to the tip, that's like almost 6 inches. But I do have the length for my hair, so well, maybe let's just go like this. Oh, and also I did read the correct way to hold the scissors. So thumb hole, ring finger, 2 fingers, pinky. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Oh. Okay. So let's check with broad Mondo first. Okay, yes, my legs are shaking and everything. I'm actually gonna quickly just brush this out with like a fine comb though. Make sure it's all straight. Okay. Ooh. Look, I'm like literally shaking. Okay. Let's, okay, it's still a good amount, it's still a good amount. Okay. Breathe. Atlanta. Fuck it. I'm cutting. I'm obviously gonna have to fix this, but I got it. Okay. Yeah, that's not straight. That needs to be fixed pronto. Not terrible, not good either. Is that better? Sure isn't. Next step, I guess. I'm gonna cut it right under my fingers there. This is gonna end up so bad. Yeah, okay. I've already cut the front. There's no going back. And I am leaving enough length on it so if I do screw it up, there's still enough hair to fix it. I can't see, so you're gonna over direct it. I'm already cutting, it's too late. There's too much hair. Oh my gosh. I can't cut all the way through it. Dear hairdressers, I now know why you hate my hair. Before I take it out, I'm just gonna try to tidy up and even out the ends of this off camera. My shoulder is killing me from the weight. Okay, he says we can let it down. I'm scared. Super scared. Oh, okay. Can't even get this ponytail out without hurting myself. Oh, okay, there's one down. Two down. It's crooked as fuck. Oh. What is happening? Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna try to brush this and fix the part. because this is much longer than the rest. Like I probably should have cut off more. But he said doing the part was easy peasy if you need to go back in. I'm sorry, Brad. That's the hardest damn part. Okay. Like, this side doesn't look as bad. Alright, let's brush it all back so we can see how bad it's. Alright, let's see. Can you see? You should be able to. I feel like I didn't take off any length. Okay, it's not terrible. I feel like I should have definitely took off more length, but I think because the ponytail on the back wasn't the perfect way it should have been, it was really hard to work with, but you can definitely see the layers there. Now he says you can go in and clean up like the side, but my hair is still too long to do like on myself, I think. And I can't really tell, like it definitely needs something. Like maybe right in here. But it's like, do I really want to go in and mess that up? I don't know. I don't know. Could I? I don't know. Should I just leave it like this? So it's not like really, really, really messed up? That's, By the way, none of my family knows I'm doing this, including my other half. Yeah. I should probably stop. Okay, let's take a look at this side. This side doesn't have as much hair because of the way I part it. I feel like maybe just like here it could be blended more maybe. I'm really gonna try this with your left hand. Oh, good luck. I'm not even cutting it. I don't even think I'm cutting anything at this point, honestly. But I don't know. Well, it is mostly dried, not styled. I do have, like you can definitely tell it's brought out more of my wave pattern. This is with no products, no styling. It's not terrible. It's not great either. I think a lot more length needed to come off to like really make it flow. But like I said, I was having a really hard time with that high pony. It was a struggle. And then even with the help, it just wasn't quite at the apex as it should have been. And yeah, I'm sure that would have made a difference. But I mean, I'll probably go get it fixed, but this could have been way worse. And I'll show you the back. So it did definitely put more layers in. I don't know. I think if your hair is as thick as mine, the what's the word I'm looking for? I really can't think of the word I'm looking for. The way he did his tutorial with 2 ponytails, I think with how much hair I have, it wasn't the ideal way to do it. I think if your hair is thinner, it would have been perfect, because if it wasn't for that, I think it would have really worked out. It would have been a lot easier to go in, breathe, part it, cut more off if you needed to. And even though I did take off like 6 inches, it don't look like it.